Hello everybody, this is JM and welcome back to JM Reacts. So, pahinga na muna ulit tayo sa Bini and let's look at this new girl group na una lang nating makikilala for the very first time with their official music video na kaakalabas lang few hours or several days ago. Let me double check muna yung few days ago. Most especially 5 days ago. So medyo late tayo ng konti kahit papaano, but let's see who is this G22. Let's have a primer first before we watch the music video. Okay? So, G22. G22 is a Filipino girl group formed in 2022 by Cornerstone Entertainment with members AJ, Alfea, and Jazz. So tatlo sila, pero hindi ko alam kung sino yung AJ, kung sino yung Alfea, at sino yung Jazz. So let's take a look at their profile before we proceed with their official music video. So G22, again, they are called the P-pop alphas, and then their official greeting is ready, aim, shoot. We are G22, and their fandom name is Bullets. So tingnan natin. This is AJ. AJ. Or also known as Jermaine. And her real name is, ang ganda ng kanyang pangalan Angel Jermaine Bantiling Yape, a leader and main rapper, born on August 10th with 5 feet 7 inches. She likes reading manga and various books. She is a fast learner in learning and memorizing choreographies. Oh, she can turn her hand 360 degrees. I need to see this. Then, she likes fruit teas, green tea, and green tea with lemon. And SB19 yung kanyang isa sa role model, as well as Casey Tandingan. Favorite animal niya is panda. And ang favorite snacks niya ay fried tofu and chicken chops. She's good at writing rap lyrics. So that is Angel Jermaine, or simply AJ or Jermaine. Next is, ito palang Alfea. Ang ganda ni Alfea. So, Alfea's real name is Alfea Marie Gonzalez Solueta, born on September 12th, visual lead dancer, okay? She likes Jisoo from Blackpink. Favorite animal niya ay cat. Favorite band ay Ben and Ben. And gamer pala to. Mahilig siya mag-Mobile Legends. And taekwondo and badminton na kanyang sports. Role models niya ay Jisoo, BTS, and Matt Stefanina. And this is Jazz. Very pretty ang Jazz, oh. As of now, wala pa akong bias kung sinong magiging bias and bias record ko. For now, we need to see the music video and kung sino yung nag-hit sa akin talaga, yun ang magiging bias ko. Pero that will be our temporary bias for now until mapanood natin yung ibang music videos ng G22. The last member is Jazz. Her real name is Jasmine Therese Montemayor Henry and their bunso. Her birthday is June 19th, 5 feet 8 inches. Ooh. From Sydney, Australia. Favorite Filipino food niya is pinakbet. Favorite sport niya, rugby, football. She likes singing karaoke. Favorite bands niya, ITZY, Blackpink, Little Mix, and The Beatles. Dati, 4 sila, pero ano nangyari kay Bianca? But first, let's see who Bianca is. Bianca Paula Vargas Foro. Her stage name is Bianca. Born on November 25th from General Santos. Got doing her eye makeup. She likes watching K-dramas. Very flexible. Good at playing instruments. She's having trouble in pronouncing letter or words. Like mine. She had a second dan black belt in Taekwondo. So that was a former member, but now they are left with 3. We have AJ. Okay. Visualize ko na. Ito si AJ. Then Althea. Althea looks like Liza. Looks like or has a similar look to Liza Soberano. Comment down below if you agree or not. And then we have Jazz. So nakatatak na sa isipan ko. I need to print this photo in my mind for Althea. All right. Then AJ. Okay. Althea and Jazz. All right. So without further ado, punta na tayo sa official music video nila na kaka-release lang 5 days ago na Palaban. Ayan. Nakita ko kasi yung teaser sa music video na to and now let's watch together the Palaban official music video. Ang ganda talaga, super. And etong G22 na to, sigurado nga hana ito sa mga susunod na generations na hahanay sa ngayon na mamayagpag na Nations Girl Group na BINI. I'm pretty sure this will be next to BINI. Talagang mag-shine sila. Talagang nag-effort sila to promote themselves and talagang palaban sila to the top. Palaban talaga sila to the top. Galing nito. Galing ng production nitong music video na to. Fierce ang music video na to. Kaya napapa-speechless na lang talaga ako eh. Kaya masasabi ko talaga fierce ang pagkaka-produce nitong music video na Papapalaban by G22. Salute to the producers of this music video. I like how they construct the concept. I like how they make it to the objectives na talagang straight to the point, and yung outfits talagang very elegant. Talagang pinagbudgetan, pinaghandaan, pinaglaanan talaga, and well done G22. I'm super proud of you. Kung sino si AJ, kung sino dito si Alfea at sino si Just dito. Medyo naguguluhan pa ako kung sino kasi first time ko lang mapanood yung music video nitong G22. Please help me around by commenting down below kung sino si AJ, sino si Alfea at sino si Jess. Okay? Dito sa music video na to. Thank you! May I comment again the stylist of this music video? Talagang world class. World class ang outfits na suot ng G22 sa music video na to. World class din ang pagkagawa ng music video. Talagang susunod talaga to sa Nations Girl Group ngayon na BINI. Susunod sa yapak ito. Itong G22 na to. I promise. I'm sure I promise talagang magdilang ang helman ako, but I will assure you, G22 will be next to BINI. Teka, tingnan muna natin kung merong kung may nakalagay dito kung sino yung may nakalagay ba dito ng anyhow, at least ayun, ito. Stylist, sinong stylist ito? Elos Mejia. Salute sa iyo. Salute to you na talagang in-stylean mo talaga na maganda at maayos ang G22 kahit first time kong napanood ang kanilang music video. And I admire their outfits dito sa buong music video na to. Saludo talaga ako sa stylist nila na si Elos Mejia with Carl Alberto and Mix Leguera as their stylist associates. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Ganda. In fairness to G22 at sobrang phenomenal ang talent, but please help me kung sino sa tatlo na yon, si AJ, Alfea, and Jazz, para ma-memorize ko kung sino yung tatlo na yon. Okay? This is JM saying you're part of the conversation and see you around on our next reaction video. Bye guys!